how do we make manifestation easier?
Tell me.
And I think that's such a hard question to answer because on paper, manifestation should be easy. It's quite
Mm.
simple. It's
Yeah,
simple,
not easy.
especially if it's something we hold resistance to. And I think it's because obviously, as humans, we're actually wired to notice the negative more than the positive. It's like our survival instinct. So that's why we end up running into resistance and doubting and creating those kind of low vibration feelings around what we want to manifest. It all comes back to those micro moments throughout your day.
Mhm.
How can you let go of exactly what you want to manifest? Because you don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you are. So, how can you let go of that and infuse your day with little moments of gratitude, of joy, of fun, of creativity? And it sounds so simple, but reading your favorite book for 15 minutes before you start your work day, the teeth brushing and the gratitude, indulging in a creative project that feels like, my God, I could be doing 100 different things to be productive right now, but instead I'm going to take 3 hours off and paint a dandelion. It's about bringing those little moments of joy that make us feel good. And I think that's where the magic happens.
Anything that can keep you at a high vibration always is a good idea, in my opinion. Even beyond just the micro moments, I think it's important to think about like all the things we're ingesting, all the people that we surround ourselves with, all the things we say to ourselves. Like you are your own advocate and ambassador. And then because we're reflecting ourselves, look at what you're eating, look at who's around you. They
Mhm.
impact you so strongly. So just being mindful in all areas of life, which takes a lot of work, takes a lot of energy, but it's so worth it once you receive the benefits, right, of the manifestation.
I totally agree. That thing they say about you become the result of the five people you surround yourself with most often. It's so interesting, isn't it?
It really is. When you talked about the gratitude with teeth brushing, I thought about I've just finished reading Atomic Habits by James Clear, and it's
Oh, I need
called
to get around to that.
it's fantastic because it motivates you. Very scientific, data driven, which is cool, but it's very practical. So, what you described is called habit stacking. So,
Mhm.
adding a habit that you want to do, saying gratitude with something that you need to do, brush your teeth. And
Yeah.
you're more likely to do both now because you make it a habit and your brain just will start to automate it for you. So it's let's automate manifestation.